Alright, so welcome to the beginning of grade 10 math. The first chapter that we do in grade 10 math talks about different systems of measurement that pretty much everybody in the world uses. Most countries in the world use a system of measurement called SI, which is this French word that I can't say, but it stands for SI. A lot of people refer to it as the metric system, but usually in science and math you call it the SI system. And typical units that you see in SI, at least for measurement, are things like millimeters and centimeters and kilometers and nanometers and micrometers and megameters, and all of them are based on the meter. That is the standard SI unit of measurement, and then all the other measurements are derivatives of that. So it's the most popular measurement system in the world, especially in science. There's only 3 countries in the world that use the other system of measurement, imperial. That's things like feet and inches and yards and miles. Those 3 countries that use them are the United States, Burma, and Liberia. Why that is, I don't know, but that's the way the world goes. So if you go to page 9 in your textbook, you can see more examples of some of the SI units that we use, the kilometer and the meter, just like I mentioned earlier. There's different instruments that we use to measure SI units. There's a 30 centimeter ruler, which you use from a very early age in grade school. There's the meter stick. You also use that pretty early on. Tape measures are used not only in school, but building things, houses, cabinets, tables, things like that. A trundle wheel is a wheel with a clicker that clicks every time the wheel completes one full revolution, and the circumference of that wheel is exactly 1 meter. So that's useful for like spacing out lines in like a soccer field or a football field. And lastly is this thing called a caliper, which may seem a little bit strange to you, but I'm going to spend some time here telling you how to read a caliper. Actually, I'll make it in the next video